Hey guys, I'm Ray. We are going to start working on an axe, but I don't have any way to punch the hole in an axe. So we're gonna start by making the tools that I need to make that tool. And so we're gonna take this piece of 4140 here and we are going to turn it into an axe drift. When I started this piece, I had never made an axe or a drift, but I thought, how hard could it be? I kind of built it by the seat of my pants, but I didn't have any measurements. Later, when I went to get a handle for my axe, I realized that the drift was about an inch too small. So if you make a drift, make sure it's at least 2.5 inches or 6.35 centimeters in width. Axe eyes differ from hammer eyes. An axe eye is typically a teardrop shape, whereas a hammer is usually oval shaped. What we're going to do is we're going to stick this direction into the V groove, and we're going to hammer directly on that top. Kind of give ourselves a teardrop shape. I left myself a 1/2 inch of clay so that we could hammer it directly into the corners that we're trying to create. We're going to draw out this material from about here back using the press so that it just lengthens it out a little bit, thins it out, and gives us a nice handle. We'll start cleaning up the drift with the grinder, getting all the scale off of it. When grinding the drift, we want to use long passes of even pressure so we can keep the sides flat. High spots can be given special attention, but we want to make sure the drift doesn't get stuck on the way through our hole.